Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long year. So many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. I made them show that Pilate, I wash his hands and seal his fate. Prince of Bitches, hope you bless my life. Ah, yeah, I'm telling you it's just a dance of my day. I'm stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for change. Oh, swimming to my sweetheart. Oh, swimming to my sweetheart. Guess my name. Woo-hoo! 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 Tell me, baby, what's my name? Tell me, sweetheart, can you guess my name? Tell me, baby, what's my name? Tell me, sweetheart, can you guess my name? Because every cop is a criminal, and all you sinners are saints. Because the hands in scale, you come a Lucifer. I'm in need of soul restraint. And believe me, your hands are courtesy. Now some sympathy and some pain. And all you wear, your policies. Thank you, everyone. One more time, the Unauthorized Rolling Stones. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We're going to be right back, right with the dancers for you. Everyone stick around. We have a great presentation. One more time for the Unauthorized Rolling Stones, everyone.
I just want to tell you all, this is a wonderful CD. I released this in 1998. One of the songs went to number 30 on the top 40. So you guys are welcome to one. You can pick one up right here. We're giving them away because we love you. Thank you very much.